Have you ever held your favorite sweater, felt its softness against your skin, and wondered, how did rough wool from a sheep's back become this warm, comforting gift? Let us take you on an emotional journey where over 1 billion sheep around the world help weave a story of love, dedication, and the magic of nature. From lush green pastures to high-end fashion stores, the journey of wool is a living symphony, waiting for you to discover it. Across vast, sun-drenched fields where golden sunlight kisses the tender grass, millions of sheep graze peacefully. They provide more than just wool, the warm, timeless fabric that has wrapped humanity for thousands of years. They also share their rich milk and nourishing meat. But the most magical thing? A sheep's fleece never stops growing, like a river that never ceases to flow, a true gift from nature. Have you heard about Shrek, the sheep superstar from New Zealand? He avoided shearing for 6 whole years, and when finally found, he carried 60 pounds of wool, enough to make 20 fine suits.
Come away, come behind.
His story reminds us that shearing isn't just about harvesting, it's a way of caring for sheep, helping them feel lighter, healthier, and loved. Raising sheep is an art, a graceful dance between humans and nature. Farmers, with devoted hearts, rise with the sleepy dawn to care for each and every sheep. The wide-open pastures are their playground, where sheep nibble on fresh grass, while sturdy barns shield them from biting winds and scorching sun. Grass is their main course, but on chilly winter days, grains and hay are added, nutritious feasts that keep the sheep healthy and full of life. Can you picture it? A quiet country morning, the gentle bleating of sheep mingling with the breeze and the warm smile of a farmer. That's the beginning of the wool's journey. When spring arrives, the farm seems to awaken to the symphony of life. The lambing season begins, bringing with it tiny lambs, their fluffy white coats and wide, curious eyes. They need the warmth of their mothers, sweet milk, and gentle love to grow. Did you know about this miracle? Just a few days old, lambkins can recognize their mother's voice amid the flock, a sacred instinct of maternal bond. A few months later, those little lambs don soft, shaggy wool, ready to contribute to the story of wool. Imagine this. You're a lamb, nestled in your mother's embrace, feeling the heartbeat of the meadow. How warm and comforting that must be. Keeping sheep healthy is a sacred promise made by farmers. They check their health regularly, like dedicated doctors, to prevent illness. Sheep hooves are trimmed every few months, especially during wet seasons, to avoid infections. Vaccines protect them from diseases, while deworming medicine keeps their tiny stomachs strong. Parasites are a major enemy, and special spraying treatments help sheep escape fly strike, a dangerous condition caused by flies laying eggs. Each act of care is a gesture of love, ensuring the flock always shines as brightly as the countryside sunlight. In late spring, the farm resonates with the sound of shearing, like a lively countryside tune. A single sheep can gift us up to 8 kilograms of wool each year, a treasure from nature. The shearers, like artists on a stage, skillfully glide their shears, removing wool without hurting the sheep. The coarse fleece is carefully inspected, stripped of dry grass and dirt, ready for its transformative journey. Can you picture it? A sheep, relieved after its haircut, frolicking freely while baskets fill with pristine white wool. That's the beginning of a miracle. At the mills, wool begins its makeover, like a fairy tale princess. First, it's soaked in warm water with a mild soap to wash away natural oils and dirt. Emerging as pristine as a cloud in the sky. After drying, the fibers are sorted by length, softness, and thickness, like selecting notes for a symphony. Blending is where different wools intertwine, creating the perfect balance of warmth, softness, and durability. Then comes the carding machine, with fine metal teeth like a delicate jade comb, gently untangling the wool and transforming it into light, silky strands. The spinning process is a magical moment. The fibers are twisted and stretched into strong yarn, ready to meet their destiny. Fine yarn becomes elegant scarves, while thicker strands are destined for warm sweaters. Would you like to try spinning a strand of wool? Imagine it gliding smoothly through your fingers, like a small river carrying dreams. Wool can retain its rustic, natural charm, like the earthy tones of the countryside, or take on vibrant hues through the dyeing process. From the deep red of sunset to the calming blue of the ocean, each strand of wool tells its own story. It's then woven on a loom, the shuttle's rhythm like a heartbeat, or hand-knitted into soft, cozy fabrics. The fabric is washed, softened, and sometimes treated with a water-resistant finish, becoming a long-lasting companion. Wool isn't just warm, it's a green choice, biodegradable, planet-friendly, and a far cry from petroleum-based synthetic fibers. Finally, at the workshop, skilled artisans transform wool fabric into scarves, sweaters, and coats, each one a true work of art. They cut the fabric with care, minimizing waste, just as nature teaches us to value every bit. Every stitch is like a wish, carrying warmth from the meadows straight into your arms. When these woolen pieces arrive in stores, they're more than just clothing. They're stories of sheep, farmers, and the talented hands that brought them to life. Go ahead, touch your favorite wool sweater. Can you feel it? The warmth of open pastures, the love of the farmer, and the magic of nature. Wool isn't just a material, it's a bridge between us and the earth. So, what color will you choose for your own story? A deep red scarf or a calming blue sweater? We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey. Next time you slip on a wool garment, remember, you're wrapping yourself in a piece of nature, a piece of love. Keep exploring and let wool warm your heart.
The wool produced here, known for its fine quality and softness, accounts for approximately